says prep. Why is it not working? What do you do? Do you turn it? No, I don't think you turn it. I just think that's how the lid is. But it says press down gently. But no. So I'm not doing something right. So in today's video, we have the Chic Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. It is $34.99 every other month, and you are guaranteed to get between 5 and 6 full-size items. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money, then keep on watching. All right, really quick, I filmed a video. So in the Ice Cream Beauty Box, we did get this from Pure Cosmetics, and you get like 2 different mascaras. One's a lengthening mascara, and the other one is like a lengthening fiber mascara. And you guys know I am a hashtag natural lash type of gal. And so when I do my makeup, I use 3 to 4 different mascaras, right? So I wanted to try this to see if this was going to be my new holy grail, because I'm still looking for that perfect mascara. Now, not at all. I feel like it's going to fall in my eyes. They're a little itchy, so I'm going to film this and then take my makeup off. It looks terrible. If you want to see that review, if it's already up, I will leave it down below. If it's not, it will probably be up tomorrow. All right, so like I said before, this is a bi-monthly subscription. It does kind of remind me of like the Tribe Beauty Box. It does have its hits and misses, but more hits for me. $34.99. I do have a discount code. It's just Ann in all caps. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. And it doesn't feel like it came in a box, but maybe it did. I don't know. Let's open her up. Let me get my knife. I'm never prepared. When am I ever prepared?
The answer is never. Do you hear me? Never, ever.
Get her open. Oh, I was mistaken. It does have a box, but there is something else in there. So this is what the box looks like. It's a Chic Beauty Box. And there must be something in here that doesn't fit. Woo. Okay, that's a nice surprise. All right, and that's it. I'll show you that last. But like I said, this is the box. And let's open her up. All right, so this is the January-February box. I was like, God, I haven't seen this in a minute. I almost forgot about you. It is February 28th when I'm filming it. So I literally got this the last day of the month. So I wasn't sure it was like February, March, or January, February. So that's what that is. Then on the back gives you a variation 1 or variation 2. I'm not sure which one I have yet. Variation 1, the total value is $115.97. Variation 2 is $121.97. So you definitely get over the price. Okay, so the first thing I got is it's from Revlon. It's a Youth Fix. This is a, what does it say? Fill plus Blur Primer for face and neck. Now with this subscription, you get drugstore, and then you also get higher end. So I do enjoy that too, you know? All right, so that's what it looks like. I've never tried this. All right, so it looks like that. I guess this thing you take off, right? Yeah, okay. So you take that off, so you have that. And then, what? Oh, okay, you twist it, and then you can put it on here and here.
No.
Right? You twist it?
No.
Because how else will it work? Is that how you work? You twist it? No, it has to be. Am I dumb? Don't answer that. Let me see what the box says, because I could be doing it totally wrong. It says prep. Why is it not working? What do you do? Do you turn it?
No.
Now, I don't think you turn. I just think that's how the lid is, but it says press down gently. But no, so I'm not doing something right. I am so confused. I'm really getting my glasses out. Let me read this. Oh, okay. You press bottom of package here like this. Okay. See this right here? You press that. Okay, and then it's starting to come out, if you guys can see. Oh! Oh, okay. So let's see. Okay, there we go. And, all right. That's nice. Okay. Let's wipe this off. I mean, this new stuff, like I'm used to the old school stuff. You know, you just twist it and you go. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. It's thick. It feels like a thick cream. So I can definitely see. I mean, oh, it does blur a little bit. Okay. All right, so we have that. How much is this puppy? $19.99. Holy crap. Drugstore prices are really going up, aren't they? Okay, the next thing is from Cover Effects, and this is the foundation, Power Play Foundation. It says on, O-N. Let's see. All right, so I have variation 1. This is $44, so my total value would be $115.97. Okay. Ooh, that's light. That is light. Let's see. It's in the shade, I guess, no. All right. Ah, that's pretty cool. Look at that. All right, so let's see. So that's good. You get a, that's a little light. You get a primer and a foundation. That's pretty cool. So let me show you. I mean, maybe I can make it work. It's a little light for me, but I can make it work. I'd rather have foundation lighter, and then I can like bronze it up than it being too dark. You know what I mean? So, and I rubbed it in here, and if you can see, it has a little satin look from the primer, and I think I'm gonna like that. I mean, you can definitely see this hand that has the primer. You can definitely see the blurring with this hand. You definitely see the difference. Wow. Okay, so we have that. Oh, we got a brush. So this is from Maybelline. This is the Face Studio brushes. Okay, let's see. What you be? Oh, it's a foundation brush for $9.98. Okay. All right, so let's take this thing off. How do you take it off? I'm going to cut you. Okay, so this is what the foundation brush looks like. It's on an angle, and it might work. I like my foundation brushes a little bit more dense, but if I can't use it for foundation, you can also use this for a cream, bronzer, blush, powder, whatever you want, just because it says foundation brush. But I'm glad to get it. I love getting brushes. Okay, so we have 2 more things. The next thing is from Rare Beauty. Okay. So this is a dewy lip balm for $16. And this is in the shade, what shade does this say? This is called Appreciate. Is that what it says, Appreciate? Yeah, Appreciate. There's the packaging. Oh, look at that. That'd be nice if this was a lipstick, but it's a lip balm. So let's see, let's swap. Oh, it does have pigment. It's like a brownie color. I noticed in 2022, a lot of the colors in makeup is going to the 90s, because the 90s, that was the color, like the popular color. All right, so we have that. And last but not least, what wouldn't fit in the box is from Kylie Skin. Okay, so this is not on variation 1. This is on variation 2, but I definitely don't have variation 2 all the stuff. So I don't know. This is, what is it? A foaming face wash. So it's the Vitamin C Serum Foaming Face Wash for $28. And that's what she looks like. And I love it. So I guess when you pump it, it turns into like a mousse kind of like. All right. I love getting me some face wash, you know, to help my second cleanse. Okay, so let's recap everything that we got in the box. So we got Kylie Skin. We have a Rare Beauty lipstick. We have a foundation brush from Maybelline. We have a NARS foundation, which is very light, but you can see I made it work, and I can always bronze it up. So I'm happy that it's too light than it being too dark. We have the Revlon primer, which it's my fault, you know. I got to get used to this new technology stuff. We have that. And is that everything? What am I missing? No, I said NARS. This is a Cover FX foundation. Yeah, and that's everything. I think this is a great box. I loved everything in here. I can't complain. It's really, really good. I love the fact that it's every other month, so it's a bi-monthly subscription. And for $35, you cannot beat. I mean, the foundation alone is $44. Yeah, I'm really happy. I'm satisfied. Let me know if you get the Chic Beauty Box. If you don't, would you ever get it? If you get it, let me know. Did you get your box yet? Did you not? I actually like this better than my Boxycharm box because you basically get all makeup. And of course, okay, you get one thing. It's from Kylie Skin, and you get a makeup brush, a foundation brush. Like, I honestly like this month better than Boxycharm. So, but let me know what you think. Please give this video a like. It really does help me out, or dislike it. Don't forget to comment, because commenting helps me out as well. Let me know what you think of the box. Let me know how your day is going. Leave an emoji. Don't forget to check out the review for this mascara. If it's not up yet, it will definitely be up within this week. It'll definitely be up. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised. I really like this month's box. Like, I think this is probably the best one that they had so far. See, Boxycharm? I'm telling you, you better start getting your stuff together, because they're going to be taken down by these indie subscription boxes.